So I'm going to do a few poems for you. The first one is about the Anvil Centre, a beautiful place, and it's called, of course, the Anvil Centre. In the heart of downtown, she stands proud and tall, a community gathering place for all. The Anvil Centre, shaping and molding arts, drama, poetry, and dreams unfolding. A theater, state-of-the-art in all ways. Recitals, performances, conferences, plays. Artists, actors, writers, musicians, infusing her halls with creative expressions. Our city's fingerprints nestled inside museum and archives historical tide. The Lacrosse Hall of Fame, pride and glory unfold, trophies, news clippings, and moments of gold. So many events, items, displays for the eye to behold. An architectural masterpiece, truly a landmark to celebrate, setting the city with mood and tone. The Anvil Centre, New Westminster milestone. Thank you so much. Beautiful place. The wedding stuff over there makes me almost want to get married again. It's just so gorgeous. I've done that enough. So now I'm going to I'm going to mix it up a little bit just to give you a bit of flavor of everything. This is going to have a lot of arts in it. So this next poem is about the arts through the ages. It's called Tumbling Down. Shakespeare said it with quill and ink, and inspiration's golden link, and the words came tumbling down. In sonnets and verses, plays and prose, in theaters and traveling minstrel shows, his passion still rages and spills from the pages onto the glitter of sound sets and stages, tumbling down, still tumbling down. Mozart said it with notes and keys, in compositions and symphonies, and the music came tumbling down, illuminating the darkness undressing, saints, sinners, and lovers confessing the agonies and ecstasies and serenades and rhapsodies, tumbling down, still tumbling down. Michelangelo said it with paints and brush, guided by an angel's touch, and the colors came tumbling down onto the Sistine Chapel ceiling, saints, cherubs, angels kneeling in a masterpiece of holiness, saving grace and forgiveness, a tribute to mankind's genius, tumbling down, still tumbling down. Artists, musicians, poets, and sages, droplets of gold on history's pages, tumbling down throughout the ages. Their world of beauty surrounds us still. Their legacy is a living will, tumbling down, forever tumbling down. Thank you. And now I'll do a nature poem. Everybody loves nature. I don't get up too early very often, but when I do, I'm always quite amazed at the beauty of nature around me in the early morning. And this is called Early Morning Haunting. Through the foggy lens of an early morning haunting, the ghosts of summer Wind-blown voices and hazy memories still linger in the blue shadows of a dying star. A pearl scarf of frost glistens beneath a red rising sun. A lone gull cries to the wind, leaving its imprint on the muted atmosphere of this early morning autumn haunting. My footsteps crunch and crackle on a scatter of pebbles and leaves that whisper secrets into the outstretched palms of this early morning haunting. I watch the sun rise, ash to ember to flame. I listen to the wind, silence to whispers, to voices. I'm alone yet not alone. I walk with ghosts in the blue shadows of this early morning haunting. Haunted. Thank you all. And now a love poem for all the lovers in the audience. And I'm sure everybody's been in love. This one's a kind of a lost love one, but anyway, it's called Ink Stain in the Rain. I named it that way because if you leave ink on paper out in the rain and it blurs, it becomes such a surreal stain and you can't read anything that's left. It's there, but it's indecipherable, so. The cold wind rapes and scrapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade, under gunmetal sky cracked, splintered, and dry. We played our tragic masquerade. On the mantle of gloom and foreboding doom, we reach for this feeling we're chasing. We can't quite grasp enough of it, just a quick silver touch of it. This dream, daughter time is erasing. Then I feel your heart slip, so I tighten my grip on the trembling lip of this storm. Your body's a river, a fast-running shiver, and I can't seem to keep myself warm. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you let go of my hand. Tide sweeps you away, but bids my heart stay. Nothing is as we planned. Waves wash me ashore, lips parched evermore, never to taste yours again. Love letters and pain, left out in the rain, became a faded ink stain. Now, days without sun, the moons come undone, and I've become the rain. Thank you. And this last one is what I wish for everybody. It's a very enlightening poem for you to go away with. Something that should make you want to kick your feet up, dance, and try all kinds of new things. And it's called Dance with the Surprises. Taste the mist of a shooting star. Ride the surf of the Milky Way. Climb to the tip of a shimmering moonbeam and slide down its highway of dreams. Embrace the moment and dance with the surprises. Stop at the door with double locks. Find the keys within yourself. Stand at the edge of uncertainty. Dive into the river of chance. Embrace the moment and dance with the surprises. Open up your heart and soul. Keep your spirit flowing free. Hear the universal rhythm. And when the music plays, take the chance. Dance. Dance with the surprises. Thank you all so very, very much. been a pleasure to have you sit here and listen to me ramble on. Welcome to the Anvil Centre. It's going to be a great, great, great landmark for a long time for New Westminster. Thanks.